Crash course on sociology, social institutions, explore social institutions such as family, education, and religion and their role in society. Certainly, I'd be happy to provide a crash course on sociology and explore the topic of social institutions. Sociology is the study of human social relationships and institutions. It examines how societies are organized, how they change, and how they function. Social institutions are the structures and mechanisms of social order and cooperation that govern the behavior of individuals and groups within a society. These institutions help to shape the beliefs, values, and behaviors of people within a society. Some examples of social institutions include family, education, and religion. To understand the importance of social institutions, let me provide some examples. The family is a social institution that is found in every society. It is the primary unit of socialization, where children learn the norms, values, and beliefs of their culture. The family provides emotional and financial support and helps to create a sense of identity for its members. However, families can also be sources of conflict, abuse, and neglect, which can have a negative impact on individuals and society as a whole. Education is another social institution that plays a critical role in society. It is responsible for the transmission of knowledge and skills from one generation to the next. Education also provides opportunities for social mobility and economic advancement. However, access to education is not always equal, and this can create inequalities within society. Religion is also an important social institution that provides a sense of community, identity, and purpose for its members. It can provide comfort and guidance during difficult times, and it can help to shape moral and ethical values. However, religion can also be a source of conflict between different groups with different beliefs and values. Now, let's explore the top 12 social institutions and their roles in society. Family. The family is the primary unit of socialization, where children learn the norms, values, and beliefs of their culture. Families also provide emotional and financial support and help to create a sense of identity for their members. Education. Education is responsible for the transmission of knowledge and skills from one generation to the next. It also provides opportunities for social mobility and economic advancement. Religion. Religion provides a sense of community, identity, and purpose for its members. It can also provide comfort and guidance during difficult times and help to shape moral and ethical values. Government. The government is responsible for maintaining social order, protecting citizens, and providing public services. It also creates and enforces laws that govern behavior within society. Economy. The economy is responsible for the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services within a society. It also helps to create jobs and opportunities for economic advancement. Media. The media provides information and entertainment to society. It can shape public opinion and influence social and political discourse. Healthcare. Healthcare is responsible for maintaining the health and well-being of society. It provides medical services, preventive care, and treatment for illnesses and diseases. Criminal justice. The criminal justice system is responsible for enforcing laws and punishing individuals who break them. It also helps to maintain social order and protect citizens from harm. Military. The military is responsible for defending the nation from external threats and maintaining national security. Sports. Sports provide entertainment and opportunities for physical fitness and social interaction. They also promote teamwork and competition. Arts and culture. The arts and culture provide opportunities for self-expression and creativity. They also promote cultural diversity and help to shape the identity of society. Social welfare. Social welfare programs provide assistance to individuals and families who are in need. They help to alleviate poverty and provide a safety net for those who are unable to support themselves. In summary, social institutions are structures and mechanisms of social order and cooperation that govern the behavior of individuals and groups within a society. They help to shape the beliefs, values, and behaviors of people, and they play a critical role in maintaining social order and promoting the well-being of society. Examples of social institutions include family, education, religion, government, economy, media, healthcare, criminal justice, military, sports, arts and culture, and social welfare. Each social institution has a unique role to play in society, and they are all interconnected. For example, education can lead to better job opportunities, which can improve economic outcomes for individuals and families. The economy can provide funding for social welfare programs, which can help to alleviate poverty and provide a safety net for those in need. The media can shape public opinion, which can influence the policies and decisions of government officials. It is important to recognize that social institutions are not always perfect and can have negative effects on society. For example, the criminal justice system can perpetuate systemic racism and inequalities, and the media can spread misinformation and contribute to polarization and divisiveness within society. It is important to continually assess and improve social institutions to ensure that they are serving the needs of all members of society. As for a poem on social institutions. Social institutions, pillars of society. Structures and mechanisms of order and piety. Family, education, religion, and more. Their roles in shaping beliefs and values we can't ignore. Education, the key to knowledge and skill. Providing opportunities for economic goodwill. Religion, offering comfort and guidance in life. A sense of community and purpose through strife. Government, upholding laws and order. Protecting citizens and providing public order. Economy, producing and consuming goods. Creating jobs and opportunities for livelihoods. Media, a source of information and news. Entertainment and shaping public views. Healthcare, maintaining well-being and health. Preventing illnesses and treating them with wealth. Criminal justice, enforcing laws and punishing crime. Maintaining social order and keeping us in line. Military, defending against threats and enemies. Protecting our nation and its entities. Sports, providing fun and fitness for all. Promoting teamwork and competition, standing tall. Arts and culture, expressing creativity and diversity. Defining society's identity and its unity. Social welfare, providing aid to those in need. Alleviating poverty and helping us to succeed. Social institutions, vital to society's growth. Assessing and improving, always both. In conclusion, social institutions play a crucial role in shaping our society and our lives. They provide structure and order, promote well-being, and shape our beliefs and values. It is important to recognize their importance, as well as their limitations, and continually work to improve them to better serve the needs of all members of society. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.